And we're getting ready to open Elijah's presents from Uncle Steve.
Okay.
And go. Where's the knife? Or, yeah, he's going to need to. Let's see what the card says. Happy belated birthday. Happy belated birthday. The best things come to those who wait. Wait, yeah, you can start on, wait, yeah.
Yeah, just like, there you go.
Today's the 9th or 10th?
10.
Today's the 10th.
Okay, let's see.
Turn it up this way. There. Hold up. Want me to cut this? Okay. Pop that open.
Can't have one without the other. You can't really read it. Alright. Actually,
No, that's fine.
no, he's got to open this one first.
What is that, Elijah?
I don't know.
Wow, what is that, Elijah? What you got? And a baseball.
No, that's all. It's just tissue. What do you think?
What? Hey,
What's that? Cool?
How does it fit, Elijah?
Good.
It's a good fit? Yeah, it looks good. What do you say to Uncle Steve?
Thank you.